Hello students, I am your friend from Khaleeq Tuitions of Conceptual Studies. Today we have a wonderful topic, English and writing. We always worried about our writing and speed. Let me give you a few tips. Tip number one is how to hold a pen. Just look at my fingers especially. The first three fingers are holding the pen softly. Do not put any pressure. The first finger have to maintain the curve like this, as well as the thumb this way, little bit, and the down supporting fingers has to be in this position. These are all will be helpful to maintain the beautiful angle and the speed later on. I will discuss about. The second thing is how to place your hand on the paper. It should be this way. The hand movement will go along with the writing. Then if the writing is horizontal, then your direction of hand should be the perpendicular to that one. The third one is beautiful angle. Let me give you some brief on this. Some people like this way. This is too much bending on the back side of it. Some people they write very straight. Some people they write too much bending forward. And the best angle 18 to 20 degree, which is little slant forward, and it will help you maintaining the beauty as well as the speed while you are in writing mode. Before going further, let me give you some brief about clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. You must have seen the clock. The needles move the direction in clockwise always, and the anti-clockwise must be the opposite one. The most preferable in nature, if you have noticed, is always be anti-clockwise, like Earth revolving around the Sun and its spin motion is always be anti-clockwise. So we follow anti-clockwise rotation while writing some of the alphabets. Let me give you some alphabets in capital letters like O. Just have a look. Q, anti-clockwise. C, capital C. G, anti-clockwise. And the small letter like A, anti-clockwise. B, anti-clockwise. C, anti-clockwise. D, all have a start with anti-clockwise rotation, like E, like G, like H, like Q, like S. All other letters writing to be done from up to down. Let me give you some example like A, up to down. B, D, up to down. E, M, see the beauty you are gaining afterwards. N, T, and so on. Small letter like you have P, Q, Y, Z, T, I, and so on. Before going to give you some specimen, you always remember three important tips: how to hold the pen, make sure it should be this way, how to place your hand like this, and what is the beautiful angle. Always remember them. Let me write few sentences. My name is Khaleeq. How old are you? In capital, holding. Similarly, football. Now, if you go in writing mode, question today. Again, watch my hand. The holding of pen especially should be soft and smooth. Smooth grip. Are you going to school today? That's all for the today's session. Hope to see you in the next session very soon. God bless.